Good morning, children. Today I am going to talk about a new topic fast adjustments. Sometimes a few omissions or errors in the recording of transactions or the preparation of summary statements are found after the final accounts have been prepared and the profits distributed among the partners. The omission may be in respect of interest on capital, interest on drawings, interest on partner's loan, partner's salary, partner's commission, or outstanding expenses. There may also be some changes in the provisions of partnership deed or system of accounting have impact with retrospective effect. All these acts of omission and commission need adjustments for correction of their impact. Instead of altering all accounts, necessary adjustment can be made either through profit and loss adjustment account or directly in the capital accounts of the concerned partners. This is explained with the help of following example. Ramesh and Sahir are equal partners. Their capital as on April 1, 2015 were rupees 50,000 and rupees 1 lakh respectively. After the accounts for the financial year ending March 31, 2016 have been prepared, it is discovered that interest at the rate of 6% per annum as provided in the partnership deed has not been credited to the partners' capital accounts before distribution of profit. Okay. See, there are two partners, Ramesh and Sahir. They are equal partners. That means 1:1. Their capitals are on April 1, 2015 were rupees 50,000 and 1 lakh respectively. After the accounts for the financial year ending 31st March 2016 have been prepared, it is discovered that interest at the rate of 6% per annum as provided in the partnership deed has not been credited to partners' capital account. That means after the preparation of final accounts of the partnership firm, they discovered that according to the partnership deed, the interest on capital should be 6% per annum. But that is not credited to the partners' capital account. But that amount already distributed among the partners as profit. In this case, we will calculate interest on capital, how much is not credited. So first one, Ramesh capital is 50,000, so 50,000 into 6 by 100, 3,000. And Sahir capital is 1 lakh, 1 lakh into 6 by 100, 6,000. These 3,000 and 6,000, that means the total 9,000 is not distributed among the partners as interest on capital, but this 9,000 they are distributed as profit among the partners. So this error can be rectified. This error can be rectified in following way. So we'll make an adjustment table. So this is the second method. We can rectify through directly into their partner's capital or current account. What is capital or current account? If the question is having fixed capital account, the adjustment will be done through the current account. If nothing is mentioned, so we can adjust through capital account. So profit already distributed. That means already the profit is credited in their partners capital account. So 9,000 already credited, that is equal partners, so both of them will get 4,500, 4,500. So we have already credited enough, so that is wrong credit cancel करे तो हमने डेबिट करेंगे. डेबिट वाला आइटम्स हमने ब्रैकेट में लिखेगा. So 4,500 and 4,500, 9,000 bracket. Interest on capital should be credited. So already we calculated the Ramesh 3,000 and Sahir 6,000. So that should be credited. So interest on capital should be credited 3,000 and 6,000, 9,000. So net effect. So minus 4,500 and 3,000. Take the difference. How much will get? Minus 1,500. That means already he got 4,500 as profit, but actually he should get the 3,000 only as interest on capital. So that means he already got 1,500 extra. So here already got a 4,500, but in the form of interest on capital he should get 6,000. That means he got less. Means he got less. How much? 1,500. So he should be credited. That means journal entry should be this. Who got excess? That is, excess will come in debit. Who got shortage? That person will come in credit. So journal entry will be Rami's capital account debtor to Sahir's capital account. So amount C minus 1,500 and plus 1,500. Take the difference. Automatically the null effect will come. Okay. So second question. Nusrat, Sonu and Himesh are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 5:3:2. So three partners, they are sharing profit in the ratio of 5:3:2. The partnership deed provides for charging interest on drawings at the rate 10% per annum. So interest on drawings should be calculated at the rate 10% per annum. The drawings of Nusrat, Sonu and Himesh during the year ending December 2015 amounted to rupees 20,000, 15,000 and 10,000 respectively. After the final accounts have been prepared, it was discovered that interest on drawings has not been taken into consideration. So here the first question, interest on capital is not considered. Here interest on drawings is not considered. So we learned that the interest on drawings, suppose if the date is given and percentage is given and the date is not mentioned, so we have to calculate interest on capital for how many months? 6 months. So we will be calculating interest on capital. So first we will calculate interest for the Nusrat, Sonu, Himesh. So 20,000 ka 10% over 6 months 1,000, 15,000 ka 10% for 6 months 750 and 10,000 ka 10% for 6 months 500. Total 2,250. Why we are putting in bracket? Interest on drawings is a debit item. Debit item we have to means omission of interest on drawings, means it is a charge. Already it should be debited in the partner's capital account. So this is how to be debited. So we will be giving debit items, always will put it in the bracket. So profit credited less. Now it should be credited. That means if this 2,250 will add along with net profit, so automatically the profit should be increased. What happened? This is not included now. So actually profit is less. So profit should be credited in their capital account. So in which ratio? 5:3:2. So this 2,250 will be distributed in 5:3:2. So we will get 112,675 and 450. So now see the net effect. Take the difference 125. So positive figure at the credit. Here take the difference 75. The answer is in negative, so write debit. Here also answer will be coming in negative, so debit. So generally who all are coming debit will write debit. Sonu's capital account debit 75, Himesh's capital account debit 50, to Nusrat capital account 124. So this is the way we will prepare past adjustment. Okay, thank you.